How does it work now? Good. Put this on here. Where am I putting? There. 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 This thing working? I'm gonna double hear myself. All right. Me? Yeah. Yeah. Nine. That's nice. Yeah, building pieces is fun. Ooh. Oh, AMD? Nice. I'm gonna try to do AMD too. Yeah, I like it. Good. Do AMD. All right, so let's see. Do I have a marker? Please let me have a marker. Oh, before we go into that. Shit. Let me just talk to the player. Get a marker. Hey, can I have one marker? Thank you. Okay, thank you. I'll bring it back. Okay, so the multiple collision algorithm. This is super interesting. Okay, so what's the problem? Okay, you have multiple bodies, right? And we're using balls right now because they're the more simple ones, but multiple bodies, right? And each of them has a possibility of colliding with another one, right? So this guy can collide against this guy, this guy, this guy, or this guy, right? And if any of them collide, different things are gonna happen. So if this guy collides with this guy, then like let's say just in the purely like intuitive sense, they're gonna like bounce opposite to each other, right? Same for this one, right? The angle of the way that they would bounce is opposite from each other, right? And the angle is different for this one, for this one, for this one, and for this one, right? Now this guy can collide with this guy, collide with this guy, collide with this guy, can collide with this guy. This guy can collide with this guy, this guy, this guy, this guy, and so on, right? So now we have to code this, okay? So to code this, we have to check basically all of the bodies, and it is all of the bodies against all of the other bodies, right? So how do we do that? We go do a loop, right? So, first off, we do two things, right? Oh, can this even be seen there? It's kind of hard to see. Mm, if I could just angle it a little bit more, maybe? Let's see. Ugh, well, whatever. Yeah. So that that we'll have to deal with later. Rectangles, yeah, because on this we have a very simple operation. If you remember that we just get like the position and the position, right? We get the delta of the position, so basically the difference between this and this, right? Right? We get the radius, right? And if the hypotenuse, right, is smaller, like the hypotenuse of this position and this position, right, is smaller than the combined of both the radiuses, then we know they're touching. So no matter what, they're touching. Okay? It's not the case for rectangles, but just for circles, it's easy. That is makes it easier for us because the shape doesn't matter. But yes, that's a good question. my first thing, my first engine, hmm I was like specifying what side it would detect. For boxes, we'll have to do that. But for now, because we want to focus on this part first, okay? So now let's think about what we're doing here, right? So we have five bodies there, right? So that if we're gonna put them on an array, right? It's gonna be an array of bodies. So we're gonna have item. I'm just gonna see A, B, C, D, and E, right? Let's name them too. Why not? A, B, C, D, and E. Yeah. Okay. So for our algorithm, what we can say, if we want to do it the dumb way, the more intuitive way, right? I'm gonna say A has to check with the entire thing. So A needs to check with A. A needs to check with B. A needs to check with C, A needs to check with D, and A needs to check with E. Because this is simple, right? You're just doing this letter times everyone. Then you do B, checks with A, checks with B, checks with C, checks with D, checks with E. Right? So you do for every one of these letters, you're gonna check with everyone else if you're touching them. Okay? What do you mean that you're touching them? You're gonna run the Pythagoras and you're gonna do the difference between the Pythagoras and the sum of the radiuses, right? So you do that operation every time, each one of these times, right? So let's do that. Okay? Before we gotta do a little bit of setup. So we have to actually set up this array, okay? So let's do that. And I think actually we might have to set up something else. So we're gonna have to change. I don't know if you did the homework that I told you. Uh, Hmm? no. Oh, okay, so let's. Oh, I'm gonna do it right now with you. Okay, so let's do it. So we're gonna have to do a bit of modification. So make sure to try to keep up. So let me. That's all right. No, what we're gonna do is we're gonna change entities. We're gonna turn entities into um we're gonna turn entities into the base class, and then we're gonna have a subclass or a child class that is going to be the circle, okay? Because from that we'll have then different from that we'll have different. Let me just check who messaged me. Okay. So let me open my GitHub. Alrighty. No, not this. This is my website. Uh, also, I did an update on my website if you want to check it out. That's not. That's. You haven't seen my website? Oh, yeah. Let me. Like you made the whole thing yourself? Yes. So if you want to see my website, feliperodas.com. Feliperodas.com. Yes. Look at that. With a friendly robot. So I am still working on it. So I'm gonna do a little blog thing here, some stuff. Looks good. Programs, like I have some of the programs that I've done here. You want to contact, that's like basically like resume. Wow. Yeah, bunch of stuff. Yeah. Cool stuff, cool stuff. But no one need to worry about that for now. So looks like I already did some stuff here. So let's take a look. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Okay, so let's go from the beginning. So yes, I made another class, and I named it circle, right? So let's just go first. Let's check out the entity class. All right. So entity has a couple of things, but we're gonna remove a couple of these things. We actually might just like change a lot of this stuff. So yeah, we have that. So for this, we are only going to leave. So make sure keep up on this part, okay? So the entity is gonna have the image. We're gonna leave the image. So the image we can leave there. Now the size, we can leave the size. No, actually, this makes me want to take out the image. Mm, yeah, let's take out the image. So now the image is gonna be, so this might break a bunch of stuff on the game, but it's for the better. So we're gonna take out the image. We're only going to give the position. Yeah, an entity is only gonna need position. Okay. So po, yeah, position. This is gonna break a bunch of stuff, but you gotta break some eggs to make an omelet, right? So before I delete this because I don't want to search that up again, so I'm gonna go to class. I'm gonna make the circle.py, right? Circle.py. I'm gonna name it class circle. Uh, that how do you forgetting how to write this part? Oh, cool. Oh, 1 second. Hello. Buenas, profesor. ¿Cómo está, profesor? ¿Qué cosa? Hola, profesor, ¿cómo está? ¿Sí? ¿Hello? Sí, estoy en la universidad, estoy en la universidad. No, estoy dando una clase. Sí, no, en la biblioteca. Ok, sale bien. Eso sería, sí, es muy útil. De hecho, sí, cuando se fue Perla, sí, sí hace falta. Si puede ser mi secretario, sería buenísimo, básicamente. Ok, ok. Acabo estoy voy. Acá- en 45 minutos. Le puede mandar, le puede mandar a la biblioteca que sería bueno que él vea lo que estoy haciendo ahorita porque quizás necesita ayuda con esto. Mándale a la biblioteca al cuarto 2205. Okay. That's, sounds good. I did not expect. I guess I'm getting a new assistant. Amazing. Okay. Yeah. All right. So, for example, this leaf trail part, we probably gonna take out. So yeah, we're gonna take the trail part out. We're gonna the trail counter. This might have been this side is getting lost, but we're gonna have to put it somewhere else. But whatever. So I'm gonna take the image. Also, I'm gonna take the image here. So now instead of size, right? Because we know it's a circle, we're gonna put instead of size, we're gonna put radius here. So radius, right? That's the only measurement we need. Then we also need the position. So position, radius, and also another thing that I wanted to check out real quick is how to make the soft class here. So super init, there you go. So there we go. And we set an entity. Perfect. So in here, I'm at this part. I'm going to import the entity, right? import entity from entity. Is that spelled correctly? Oh, from entity imported. Actually, can I just do that? Maybe I can just do that. Import entity. Let's try that. Seems a little bit like I'm overdoing it. And now keep this in mind, okay? So entity only takes position now, right? So what I'm going to change, what I'm going to be sending here is just the position, right? So position just gets sent straight to entity. Position. Okay. Now, let me think. Uh, no, that's fine. Take out the size. We don't need the size. We do need the screen. Oh yeah, the screen. Send the screen last. Screen. Although I think that we don't really need the screen, but I guess yeah. And also make sure you send the screen to. We send the screen to this guy. Assets. To oh, so important. What are you doing here, right? I'm importing the entity, right? Then entity becomes a child class. I mean, circle becomes a child class of entity, right? Then when you call super, right, it's like you're calling entity, but then and then you send stuff to it, and all of the stuff that goes inside of entity becomes now a part of circle, right? That's why I have to send this stuff here. So when I send position, I need to send screen to, and I probably need to send, yeah, I probably need to send the image too. So I'm gonna send the image here to em, emg. Yeah, I'm gonna send the image too. No, but this is like some bad planning on my part here, but yeah, whatever. Velocity, we'll keep all the physics here, I think. Yeah, physics. Yeah, we'll keep the physics here. Okay, position. Yeah, the trail part is done. All the inputs we probably want to, yeah, the inputs will leave here too. Yeah, inputs in case it takes inputs. Yep. Velocity, we have the velocity. Screen, image, and we'll put all the draw stuff. Okay, so I'm gonna take the draw. I'm gonna put the draw here. Take the draw out from, yeah, because the entity may not need a body. Yeah, perfect. Yeah. I think this is the right choice. So a lot of choices and stuff that goes into this stuff, you know? So I cannot explain everything that I'm doing right now because I'm doing a couple things. Just follow along with this, and hopefully the world will become will have sense at some point. So position now, okay. So here's where we can actually start doing some stuff because, okay, why do I do this? Why did I take the draw out of entities and I put it on circle? Okay, because draw is based on the shape of the object. Remember that like we have to allocate the way that we are painting the thing based on the size. So for example, if you have a box, right? And the box needs to be, we want the center, okay? We want the position to be the center so we can have the circles, right? So to do that, we need to draw our thing from the center. We need to offset it based on the on the radius of the circle, right? Like so if it's here, like if it's like in like 0, 0, we need to go to minus a little bit up here to draw it so it looks normal, right? Okay. So we'll put that offset here. So let's add all of our, so position is already set. So let's add radius, image, radius and image. That's what we need here. So position, oh, self that. Okay, let me right below here. So position is already set because we're sending position to entity. Then we're gonna do We're, okay. Hello? See? 2205. Yes, 2205. 2205. I'm gonna send you a message with the room. 2205. Yes. Okay. Okay. Cool. Send them over. Okay. Bye bye. Amazing. Okay. So, because I need assistance. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff to do. Yeah. So the image, so now we have set the image and the radius, okay? So now here, if you can see here the draw, I have already set it up so it has the offset here. You see it? So we have the position, it's being drawn, self position, and then its size. Before it used to be the size divided in two. So like half the size of the image, we would divide it. So basically, we try to offset it by the middle, right? Now we have the radius. So the radius is half of the circle, right? So in here we just need to do radius. So it will be instead of size it's radius. Yeah, self radius. Exactly. So change that part there. So self the radius. Perfect. This makes sense. Good. It makes sense. It's still like coding. No, don't worry. Take your it will all become apparent. This might have to actually I might be able to finish this whole thing today. We'll see. So let's see. Jump, velocity, check inputs, right key, enable trail, disable trail. We're gonna delete these things. This is gonna break a bunch of stuff. Already know this is gonna break a bunch of stuff, but it is what it is. I'm gonna delete everything to do with trail. Okay. That's the gravity. Python's a real programming language? What do you mean? Like, I don't know, somebody told me that Python is like not a real programming language. So what programming language do they do? And what have they done on what have they done on C? Oh, I can't even remember who it was. I can hear it. Okay, so the thing is that so don't listen to that. I mean, it doesn't matter. I don't really care. Python's well, okay, listen. So when they say that, like people, I don't know, like if you are working for like I don't know, like Boeing or like Raytheon, and you're like doing like some super high level like precision robotics, like some like insane like aircraft, something like that. At that level, it probably count. If you're working for like Facebook or like Instagram or something like that, it probably won't matter that much. And even banks, like a lot of the things that you will do statistic analysis and things like that, uh, it won't matter that much. If it gets the job done, it gets the job done, right? Uh, that's it. But like, and if you they use it for AI, they use it for like all type of stuff. But what is important is that to know that you can do better. So yeah, there is more efficient things than Python, definitely. Uh, Now having to learn them is going to take you a bit longer. But if you already have a grasp in Python, you will be able to transition into those way easier. See, yes. I mean, with Arduino, I found it definitely easier. Yeah. I think Arduino's C is like I mean, I'm doing like No, for sure. The thing is that Python is C. Python is like an abstracted version of C, but it comes from C. So like base level, it doesn't change that much. For example, like something more different like Node. Node does change the way that like programs get executed and things like that, but you don't even know about this stuff. You wouldn't even learn about this stuff for a while. Python executes similarly to C. That like it always goes like top to bottom. There's no like threading or like asynchronous operations, things like that. So so don't worry about it. No, if they say that, don't worry about it. Like, yeah, that's I tell you that. I tell you that I don't think it's something to be concerned about. Okay, so let's keep going. So, have I ever gotten an internship? What do you mean? Like, kind of, yeah. For yeah, for a couple stuff. I'm applying for more now. That's why I was like redoing my resume. So I want to look for more, but yes, I have gotten some stuff before. Not too long, but yeah. I actually got some crazy. I got some crazy interviews for like big companies before, but I was kind of a noob, so I messed up my interviews. So yeah, but yeah, I did not prepare as much as I should. I could have gotten a position at a big company for finance, but I messed up my interview. So it is what it is. No need to dwell on it. Kept getting better at coding. I feel like I could get it now, but and I'm trying to, so I'm gonna start applying again. So yep. Please don't let me. Oh, what the heck? Oh, someone sent the chat. Oh, I, that is from Twitch. Let's see. Sorry. Okay. So, hello, sorry for bothering. We want to offer a promotion. Get the fuck out. Sorry. Uh, add to blocks list, restream chat. Sure. Get out of here. Get out of here with your. Get out of here with your fucking advertisement. Okay. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. So this might break. I'm already looking at this thing. This thing down here might break, but we'll cross that bridge when we get there. Okay. So okay, sir. Let us check. Okay. So, all right. So this is looking not bad. I think this might work. Well, let's see if it works. So right now, what I need to go is I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna take out some of the stuff that I did before. So now go to the main, and we are going to import instead of importing entity or importing snake. I'm gonna comment those two out. I'm gonna import uh circle. Import circle. I can just do it like that. Oh yeah, look at that. I can just import like that. Man, that's good. Do I need to do export at the end? Entity. No, no, no. Maybe it just works. Okay, like that. Which one? Circle here. Okay, so this part right here. Oh, yeah, you're correct. I am missing assets there, so I'm gonna have to put that there. So we are missing this constant here. This is not the best way to do it, but for now works. So that, oh, image path. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Instead of image, I need to do image path. Good catch there. Image path. Image path. Yep. Yeah. That would have made it not work. Yep. So image path, good catch. Uh yep. Anything else? Uh, no, that's it. Okay. No, good catch, good catch. That was a good catch. It's okay, so I'm important circle here. I'm going to change, I'm gonna delete this stuff because this I believe we will be able to get normally. So for now, just get rid of all that. Yeah, just get rid of all this. Pie game, ball, change position. Yeah, I'm gonna get rid of all that. Change position. Yep, getting rid of all that. We already experimented a lot with that. Oh, this is the collision algorithm. Don't worry about that. Uh, update, and then collision. Perfect. Yep. Uh-huh. 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 Snake that jump. Oh, we have this. Ooh. Oh yeah, get rid of the snake that jump, and then make sure you add pass here. It's probably not gonna work, and probably we're gonna have to deal with a couple bugs, but that's just how it is. As long as I know where my bugs are coming from, then I should be fine. So what I do want to do is that okay, now that I have gotten rid of all that, I'm gonna call this guy A, and it's gonna be a new circle. The way it goes. So let's see. Let me put this here side by side so I can. For some reason, it's not importing everything. It's not giving me the prompt. Oh, it's new circle. Right. A. So I'm gonna put circle A is equal to new circle, right? Let's just put an underscore. I don't think so. A is equal to new circle. Do I really have to do import from? Let's try it. Let's see if it works. If it doesn't work, then it is what it is. So position, I'm gonna say 100, comma 100, and then I'm gonna do radius is going to be 50, and then image path, image. Oh shoot, actually, delete image. Oh yeah, look at that. Instead of um here too. So size. So the scale size. So we're gonna do radius times two. Yeah, radius times two because that's half. Yep. Make sure you add that thing there. You got it? Yeah. Yeah, radius times two in the transform. Okay. So then image path is going to be what is the name of this asset? Is just called ball. Yep, ball.png, ball.png, and then screen is just screen. Could be passed all the way down. Looks like error, invalid syntax, module circle, view problem, no quick fix available, invalid syntax. Wah. Uh, alright, so do you have to just do this? Oh, you don't have to do new, just do, yeah, just do that. Circle just like that, and let's run it. All right, so let's try to fix these problems. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Takes at most two arguments, three are given. Okay, so module, circle, entity. So I'm giving two things there. Entity, position screen, entity, position. That two. Self dot pos equal so that pos equal position. Add that to entity two, but let's see. Do I have to add self here? So, okay, let's try that. It takes two arguments, three are given. Inline, import circle. Okay, let's try to just do this. So I'm gonna just do from circle, circle. Yep. Hi, man. How you doing? Take a seat. I'm doing a class right now. Let me finish this up and then we can talk. But you can take a look. I'm gonna need your help with this, okay? NTT. Uh-huh. 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 There we go. Let's see. Look, game is not defined in a game. Okay, look. So yeah, I did. So looks like I do have to do from entity. Yes. Yeah. For some reason, yeah, that's just the way it is. So whatever. Import game. I think I'm gonna do the same here. I don't know if I did this part with you because this is something that requires to be done. Uh-huh, uh-huh, uh-huh. Do the same for this from game, import game. Well, I'm having another issue, right? Where mm-hmm. Building the OS.path, like for some reason it's not highlighted. It's not hiding like hiding dots. This thing up here? Oh right, I didn't before though. But this is on main. It's on main, but oh, you didn't have them? Okay, yeah, make sure. Yeah, make sure you do that. No, because um, like if I said we're not import main circle. You get what I mean? Wouldn't I import main? Would I just do like that? Because for some reason, B doesn't like it's not highlighted. Which one? Um, like the image dot the image equals hiding dot image dot look. Image. Let me check. Let me check real quick. It's not highlighted. Your name was? Tony Washington. Tony, nice to meet you, man. Let me see. Okay, which one? Let's see. Here, right? Oh. Like oh, okay, yeah, just the import Pygame. Import Pygame, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, I have to import Pygame here too? Yeah. Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, you just add that. And then Blit should work just from that, I think. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that makes everything work. Yeah. Import OS too. OS what? Yeah, you're gonna need OS. Okay. It's good. Okay. Okay. So let's see. So we have another problem here. Game init, initialize game. So, oh yeah, this creates the game like that. Just let me check what I did here. Right. Game equals, yeah. I gotta check the thing for that real quick. So let me see. My game getting started. I gotta check the start code there because I think I modified a bit too much. Uh, oh, not this one. I just want to get mine. The one that first. Mm-hmm. Oh, you spy game in it. Yeah. Okay. That I got wrong. I probably changed that at some point. Yeah. Pie game. Yeah. That's interesting. All right. So we're doing good there. Yep. And then I think the thing that I need to take out is this self circle here. Yep. I go here again. And I have the same thing that you said you had. I just need to import Pygame. Uh-huh. Import for Pygame, comma OS. Those two. Run it again. Size must be two numbers. Oh, oh, of course. Yeah. So the size we need because yeah we need how we're scaling on X and how we're scaling on Y. Since it's a circle, we scale the same on both, right? So basically, just do this two times. So basically, here, radius there and radius times two. So use the same thing twice because it's a circle. Oh no, but I'm not multiplying them, right? I'm the same number twice because I'm saying I want to scale on X this amount and I want to scale on Y this amount. And since it's a circle, it's the same on both. Correct? All right. See? And there we go. We get nothing since we're not updating. It's okay. Perfect. So now I'm gonna actually try to show it. So I'm gonna go here and I'm gonna say a dot update. And let's see if it shows. So bugs and it doesn't work. Perfect. So, So tuple object does not support item assignment. Interesting. Sure. Let me check what I'm doing here. So 100, 100. 50 for the radius. Oh yeah, the radius just gonna be that. Maybe that's confusing it a little bit. Radius 100, 100. This should be XY. The first item was that another 50. No, 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 no. Oh, remember, that's, for example, that is one of the things that is unique about it being a circle, right? Because it's a circle, I do not need two, right? I only need one, but because the size is like, it's just the radius of the circle, right? So, okay, let's see. So, self the position, the tuple object does not support item assignment. The tuple object. Interesting. Let's make it an array instead of that because that might just fix it. There you go. Uh-huh. Self that leaf trail. Perfect. Okay, that fixed it. Yeah, now I just need to fix whatever the leaf trail is. So if self that leaf trail, that's yes. So that is on entity. Just gotta get rid of all the leaf trail thing. If self that leaf trail might get rid of all that. Perfect. Main. There you go. Woo! It all works. Okay, you got the same? Okay. The which one? Oh, so here, the circle, instead of sending it in parentheses, you send it as with the brackets. Okay? There we go. And for some reason, the gravity is not like, I mean, not the gravity, but oh yeah, and I'm gonna change this to real quick. I'm gonna put it to 10. It's too big the other way. 50 is that big? That's crazy. Oh, now it's super. It's now it's tiny. But I don't think that that's correct. Oh, because that is uh maybe I don't need to scale it like this. Uh, take out the times two there. Mm. That's a very tiny ball. Uh, that's interesting. I'm put it on 50 again. Should be so this should be a 50 radius pixel ball. So should be big, I guess. 50 radius. But then it goes over. The Y position should be negative. Hmm.
Like I would do a dot update, right?
A dot update, yes. This that looks good. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, that looks good. Make sure to also keep in the radius the needs to otherwise the offset's wrong.
I mean,
The in the draw the self dot position instead of being plus it needs to be minus. Make sure to get that. Okay.
what?
Yeah. So the x is positive, the y is negative because y is inverted. Remember that. Okay. So now we have something close to what we want. Let's just add another one. So this is yeah, this was mostly about the setup because we need to set up so it's a little bit easier. We haven't gotten to the part that I really want to get to right now, but that that's how it is. I'll change the position of this one to 200. I'm gonna add another ball because I want to add b dot update. We'll probably deal with some other bugs on our way there.
Yeah, I'm dealing with my own one.
Let me see. Okay, so let me help you with the bugs right now
Yeah.
because I have two balls. A circle, both the circles are going. So what's the problem? Let's see.
Since
No, no, but you gotta get rid of the balls. Ball
all
one.
right, all
Yeah, yeah,
balls,
because
right,
entity remember.
right,
Oh, get rid of all everything to do with balls.
right,
Get rid of it because remember, entity is broken now.
right, right.
Entity only works when it has like a other thing to it. Otherwise, it's not gonna work. Yeah, 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 yeah. And since I hope that you've been saving your stuff on GitHub,
Yeah.
you don't have to worry about. Okay, yeah, look at that one. The ball that jump. Get rid of it and just put a pass there. Just put pass instead of that. Just put pass. Yeah, perfect. Oh, but you're not saving these guys. You see this little dot here? This means these are not saved.
Oh, they're
So
not saved,
yeah, do Control S to save them.
so they haven't been implemented.
No. So they are right now just buffers. So circle and entity too. An entity looks like it's broken. So let's see what's broken about entity.
Like to be, I mean, what says it's broken?
Here.
Oh,
So
the ball, yeah, yeah, like,
so the collision. Get rid of
yeah.
get rid of that. Control S. Yeah. Now try it.
Circle is, I think one wired argument.
Let's
Like
see.
weird. What image path? It's already there though.
But oh you're not oh no because image EMG here you need to change it to image
Oh,
path. That change.
image path. Oh, right. Left it there. I didn't even notice.
Yeah. No, but it should be there. So
Yeah.
on that order. So do image path there. Do
Oh, it's supposed to be in like
yeah, it needs to be on the same
specific
order.
order.
Yeah, yeah. No, image path instead of EMG,
Right.
image path.
Okay.
And get rid of this image path here on the back.
This OS is already imported, or
No, and then this one, change it to this EMG there
yeah.
to image path. Good. Now save it, Control S. Now go to main and try it. See how that goes.
Oh, did you
Good.
mean in it? No, you're supposed to put double. what's it called? Double underscore, no?
Yep.
Right, yeah.
Yep.
I thought it was, it looked like it was one
No,
underscore.
no, yeah, no,
Yeah.
good, good. Yeah, go back.
Oh, I didn't write it on point.
You run it on main. You run on main.
Size is not so
Self that size. Yeah, we don't have size.
right.
So where's that? That is on.
That should be on
No, that's on circle.
circle. Wait, did I put size? I thought I put radius. No, I think that's like on main or entity.
An entity,
Yeah.
right? Your.
But it's probably like here.
Yep. No, no, go up, go up, go up.
Yeah.
Size. There it
Size,
is.
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
get rid of it. And pause instead of this. Put position. You
Position.
see, you have this thing. Change it to position.
Like instead of self pause position.
No, no. The screen, whatever that is.
Screen size.
Yeah, no, you delete the whole thing and put position. Perfect. That's looking good. Oh, make sure to save it. You didn't
Oh,
save
yeah.
entity. Yeah,
I was forgetting to save it.
yeah, no, it's good. All right, what's the next one? Oh, you do not have the
Assets.
assets there, so just
Here.
get assets there from the top. Oh no, you do have
I
it.
do have it, yeah.
Yeah, hold on.
Yeah. Maybe.
Oh, you don't have. Do you have the? Oh, hold on. Let me see. Do you have this thing? What the hell? What? What?
Huh?
Where are you operating? What the hell? Hold on. You do have this on GitHub, right?
Yeah. I do. I opened it from GitHub. Did I like open it wrong or something? Because I just like double clicked the file.
Let's see. I think so, but I think it's fine now. Okay. Oh, perfect. No, yeah, yeah. No, no. What you need to do is make sure that you open it with the whole thing in
Hmm.
there. Okay. And
Okay.
this use don't say you don't need this. Uh
Oh shoot! I need to make it
no,
a circle now. Wait, no, it's there.
no, the only thing you
Yeah.
need is instead of entity. Oh, get rid of this. I mean, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Uh
Where's the circle file?
Here.
Oh, right there.
So these two need to be inside of the. So put both of those on inside of a parentheses and take out the times two. I didn't need times two.
Times two. Did I
Okay.
just delete them?
Just radius.
Streets.
No, no. So in parentheses, radius, comma radius. Hmm.
Oh, that's
There you go. Save it. Make sure you save it. Then main. Try again.
oh.
Leave trail. Just delete it.
I deleted that. What?
That's on entity. That's on the collision. That's on the end. So no, that's at the end. Go down, 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 down. Leave trail. Delete that.
Yeah.
That whole if. No, no. This whole thing from here.
From here.
No.
Oh, here,
Okay.
here, here.
Yeah. Not the check inputs. There you go. That. All of that. Yep. Good. Control S.
What's that? What's the area?
No, no. No, don't worry about that. Go main again. That's how it is. Don't worry.
It's quite fun. Um,
Radius and circle class plus radius divided by 2. Oh, but you don't need radius. Oh, yeah. You don't need it's just radius.
oh, it's just radius. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, because radius is just one value. Self dot radius. No, self dot radius, but you don't select the thing here
What do you mean?
because you're indexing a value when you put the brackets and the zero there. Get rid of that.
So get rid of the self?
No, no, no. The brackets and the zero.
Oh, okay.
That means you're
Right.
indexing the value zero, right? And also you're dividing it by two.
Yeah. Yeah,
And the zero,
yeah,
and the zero
that's
too.
Well, yeah,
No, because remember, we're dividing it by two, right? Because if we have the size, right, we want the middle of the size, right? So divided by two. But if we have the radius is already the middle, right? The diameter is the total circle, but we only have the radius, right? So the radius already the value we want. So we don't need to divide it.
right.
So the take out the zero and take out the divided by two. Both of those, yeah. Yeah. And the same for the other thing. So it's just self dot radius, no need to divide anything.
Right.
Yeah, there you go. Good. Save it. Control it. Yeah. Run it.
There you go.
There you go.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Okay. And now make another one. Like make a yeah. Uh yeah, make another ball. That goes on. This computer science. This is counts computer science student.
I'm not even a computer science major, but I'm just doing it because it's school.
Is to get better at programming
Yeah.
more or less. I'm doing also so something if you want to well I will like your help on this is that I am making basically like a whole series on this to go from basically knowing nothing to being able to do this. Okay, so I'll show you. I already have okay, I have this and that makes those balls fall. Now I'm gonna make the physics that makes those balls bounce from each other, right? So it takes a couple of things, but it's doable. Not that hard. Now I'm making, for example, look, take a look. I'm making a curriculum for it. I have most of it done.
Well, you made a whole curriculum?
Have you not seen it? I posted it on. I posted it. No, that's my resume
Where'd you post it?
in the robotics chat. I think I
Oh,
did.
there's so much stuff in there.
We need to start dividing that a little bit. Yeah,
Yeah.
there's so many. There's so much stuff. Yeah.
Pretty much. Wait, how long?
Oh, Rativ Kat. Yeah. Hello. How you doing? Hey, we got a YouTube viewer.
For like a month.
Yeah, like a month.
Yeah.
So no, that's why I want to do. That's why basically I want to do a catch up class for that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I still feel like I don't know anything, but I do at the same time.
So like it takes time. Don't worry, but yeah, that's what. Well, if you want to learn it, like yeah, for sure, I want you to be able to learn. So let's see if I can. So we have a what? Ratvik Kataria. That's an interesting name. Cool stuff.
Wait, didn't you the last meeting? You were there, and everything for the yeah. But what the yeah you doing? You gotta be like learning like chapter one, like the basics, like the
Ah, that's good to hear, man.
book book.
Where did I put that?
Yeah. I don't know like the basics. Yeah, no, it's fun. I can definitely teach you like some electronics stuff. I'm working on my own thing. I'm actually gonna do it like after this. Oh, I'm also a freshman. Yeah. Yes, I'm still learning, and Eric helps a lot when it comes to that. And
Yeah, yeah.
Felipe helps a lot with software things, and then Eric's like the electrical stuff, and so same with Ahmed. Ahmed's like electrical stuff as well. Ahmed, you met everyone, right? Like, yeah, nice. Pretty much everyone that was in that meeting. Yeah. Yeah.
Mango.
I don't know if there's more. Yeah, I was there for a second, but then I have to go study in the library.
Bro, I don't remember where I put it. Hold on, let me see.
Bro, by the way, for the
Yeah.
drip, the shirts,
Oh yeah, I do got it.
like competitions or
Competitions, meetings, like all the good stuff. Yeah, I'm a do better. So for example, take a look. This is the thing for the curriculum for this thing. So so I have a couple lessons. So the environment setup, the first scene, importing assets, move assets, classes, functions.
well,
Yes, and arguments. This is just to get over the basics. So I'm gonna do a video as soon as I can and all this. So wait, haha. Thanks. Are you a teacher? Oh, this guy probably does. Yes. where I am a teacher here. So cool. So, so basically, I want to make a video on all of this for or nonprofit to basically help people catch up to my classes because I didn't record any of the beginning classes because I was just getting like started. But now, like some people came in the middle and they're like, "Oh shit!" So basically, I want to make something to help them catch up. Yeah, yeah. Are you in the robotics chat? In the WhatsApp.
Oh, you follow
On the WhatsApp, if you go,
find like a link, like on like the file,
oh shoot, I'm about to run out of battery.
like
Oh, how can you be? Oh, how interesting. Oh, he wants.
there's a link tree, and then
Oh, okay, hold up.
go into the one. Then
Uh, how come you be a part of this course? I mean, okay, so look, my schedule is Monday and Wednesday, 10 to 11. So I don't know. You sound like look Eastern European from by the name. So whatever this hour is for you right now. So 1 hour before this, Monday and Wednesday, I'm doing this thing. So if you want to ask questions, I'll try to look at the chat. Okay. So, but yeah, basically right now we're doing the setup to. I'm all, my class is done for today. Yeah, but I'm doing the setup for collision algorithm. As I was telling them. Uh, oh, cool. Yeah. East. What is East?
uh,
Is that like Istanbul?
I don't know what that is.
Let us know. Let us know where you're from.
India time zone.
India?
Yeah, India.
Oh, you're Indian. Oh, dope. Okay, cool. Yeah. So yeah, keep coming, buddy. So basically, yeah. So what I was doing right now is the setup for how to make the collisions, right? So hopefully next class we're gonna set up basically the arrays to contain all the entities, and then we're gonna do the cross checking to check if the collisions work, right? And hopefully soon we'll do the catch up video. So if you haven't seen like the beginning of how I got to where we are, you can catch up. So but nice to see you here. So it's good. So basically, yeah, and we're trying to do a non-profit for like teaching people how to code. So this is kind of part of it, okay? But for both of you,
Yeah.
uh, for Mr. Guy in the chat, and your name was don't tell me your name was Tony, and for Tony, okay, so the idea of the thing that we're trying to accomplish right now is that we have a bunch of objects, right? And all these objects have the possibility of colliding with each other, right? And different things will happen if any of them touch each other, right? So if this guy touches this guy, it's not going to be the same as if this guy touches this guy, right? If these guys touch, they will bounce at a different angle, right? And if this guy touch with this guy, they will bounce at a different angle, right? So now we need to identify when and who touched each other. Okay, so that's based on this. So to do that, we are making basically an algorithm that you see here. That you have to put all the items inside of an array, a list of all those items, right? And then we can use that to check with all of them. So A is going to check with A, B, C. Well, this is the dumb way to do it. So we're going to do the dumb bad way first. And then after that, when you see why it's very bad, I'll show you how to do it better. But we have A go is going to check with A, B, C, D, E, and B is going to check with A, B, C, D, E, right? Thank you so much. This is amazing. Thank you, man. Thank you for stopping by. Okay. Yeah, all the possible combinations. Now, keep in mind that this thing needs to happen 60 times every second. Okay? And that each of these checks is as
Yeah.
complex as your geometry is complex. Okay, so right now we're working with the most basic geometry, which is circles. Okay, the geometry is going to get harder, but for now the geometry is very simple. Okay, because how do you tell the difference between like how do you tell that two circles have collided? Okay, it's simple. You have the position on one. Let's say that we're like in a Cartesian plane, right? You're in a Cartesian plane, right? You have the position of one circle, right? You have the position of this circle, and you have the position of this other circle, right? The other position is here, right? They have an x and y position, right? This position and this position, correct? Right? If I get the difference between this, so I just get whatever this is. So let's say that this is like, I don't know, 10x, 10y, and this one right here is 2x, 2y, 2x, 2y. That's the center of the circle, right? I get the difference between this one and this one, right? So 10 minus 2, right? The difference between them. So this is basically how much they're separated on x and how much they're separated on y. So the difference between them is 8 and 8, right? 8 and 8. Uh-huh. Right? That gives me that difference. Now, if I draw a line between them, what that gives me a straight triangle, right? A 90-degree triangle. So I can apply Pythagoras to tell this distance, right? So I use Pythagoras to get that distance. So that is the square root of 8 squared plus 8 squared, right? That's going to give me that distance, right? Yeah, that's the formula, the Pythagoras formula. If you don't remember, it's fine. You don't worry. Just know that this thing basically is the different is this difference and this is this length. Okay, this little equation here gives you this length. Yeah, the hypotenuse. Yes, that gives you the hypotenuse, right? So if you know the hypotenuse, right, then to know if they're touching, whatever this length is, we'll just say that we'll call this length h. Okay, right? And you know the radius of A and B, right? I know the radius of both of them, so A radius plus B radius, okay? So that is the length of this, right? So if this length is smaller than the combine of both of their radiuses, so this length here plus this length here is smaller than the total sum of this whole line, that means they're touching. Yeah. Make sense? So for example, look, if they were touching, right, like that, right, then the radiuses, right, the radius is going to be a bigger length than the line between them, right? So if you see here, I wish I had other colors to make this easier, but you see, you have one length here, okay, the length of this radius. Ah, okay. All right. You have the length between these two, right? That's the hypotenuse. I'm showing it like that. And then the length of this guy, and the length of this guy, right? If I combine these two, I'm going to get a longer line than this line. So if this line is longer than this line, they're touching. And if it's not, look, if they're far away like this, then this line, and I combine the two, is smaller. This line is smaller than this line. Make sense? Right? Make sense? So basically, that's the calculation that I'm doing to figure out if these circles are touching or not.
But it's not efficient, right?
No, this that's as efficient as it gets for that. What's not efficient is this.
Yeah, that.
That's what we're gonna work on making better.
Yeah.
This is actually the easiest way to calculate if something's touching. Thank you, Rativk. Rat, Rativk. Thank you. I don't know how to pronounce your name. Ratvik? Ratvik? Ratvik?
But
Is this college or bootcamp? This is a college. Virtual edits. Oh, Miami-Dade College. Okay, so I am already over my time, so I'm already 50 minutes over, so I should get going. Radvik. Okay, nice to see you, man. All right, so I'm already over my time, so I need to talk to you, right? So okay, so thank you guys for coming. I'ma head out. If you want to see me next time, Wednesday at 1 hour before this, whatever your time zone might be. So 1 hour before this, Wednesday. Okay. So thank you so much. You guys have a good one, and I will see you guys later.